In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,250 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Facebook. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Facebook if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. And I will share with you some new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission. Okay, so anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, you just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. Okay, so just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn commission. I will share this for free. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always go back to, so first go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, and click on the search for Shopify. Okay, search for Shopify. Okay, like this. And I want you to pay attention, like I said in this step. Pay close attention. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example like this one. This one is level 2 seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy this seller profile link, okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you need to go to Facebook. Go to your Facebook homepage like this. Okay, just open your Facebook homepage, click on the search, okay, and search for Shopify. Okay, search for Shopify like this. You have here filters. Scroll down and click on groups because we need Facebook groups. And here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups about Shopify. Make sure to join all those groups. Okay, click on join and join all those groups about Shopify. Okay, after you finish, let's check for example this Shopify dropshipping group and you will be directly in this group. If you scroll down, and here you go, need Shopify expert. This one is looking for Shopify expert. If we scroll down, you can find a lot of people here who are searching for need Shopify developer. This one is looking for Shopify developer. If we scroll down, need a Shopify expert agent. Okay, this one is looking for Shopify expert. Okay, if we scroll down again, need, and this one Shopify dropshipping expert need. Okay, this one looking for Shopify dropshipping expert. Okay, those people are searching for dropshipping Shopify expert. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service. This seller on Fiverr will provide this service for those people. Okay, and this seller is good seller. He is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. He has experience and he can create Shopify store or design Shopify dropshipping store or Shopify website, and that's really good. Okay, so what you will do, let's go, you will go back to this Facebook group, click over here on write something, and you will create a public post. So what you will do again, you will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part. I will copy this part like this of his description. I will go to Facebook and I will put this description here, okay? And I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link from here. If you don't have this old plan, you can copy this new plan from here. It's almost the same, okay? So go back and I will put my affiliate link here like this, okay? And here you go. After you finish, click on post, and that's it. Those people who are searching for Shopify expert, Shopify website designer, Shopify dropshipping website will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link. This is the methods that I'm using, guys, and that's how I earn commission. Okay, super easy. You just need to join a lot of Facebook groups and start promoting your affiliate links. If you don't want to post your Facebook your affiliate link here, what you can do, let me show you. For example, like this one, need Shopify expert. I will click on his name and I will talk with this person. I will ask him if he is still looking for Shopify expert. If he is really still interested, I will send him my affiliate link. He will check this seller. He will check this seller, for example. He will be directly in this page. He will find this seller. This seller is good seller. He has 11 orders in queue, a lot of reviews, and if click on continue and buy this service from my affiliate link, I will earn commission, and that's it. Okay, you can even talk with those people who are searching for, because you will help those people. They are searching for a drop shipping expert. Okay, I need Shopify store. This one. Okay, this one is looking for Shopify store. He don't know how to make Shopify store. I need Shopify store. I will click on his name, click on message, and I will ask him if he is still looking for Shopify store. If he said yes, I will send him my affiliate link, and that's it. Okay, this is the methods that I'm using, and that's it. It's for free. I share this for free, guys. Make sure just to like this video, leave a comment, leave a good comment if you are interested to see more videos like this, and I can share with you guys more profitable services that you can promote for free using free traffic and so much more. Okay, and see you in my next video.